Hallo meine Lieben, herzlich willkommen zu meinem Kanal Deutsch üben. Hello guys, welcome to my channel Deutsch üben. In this video series, we try to systematically learn the German vocabulary from A1 to B2 levels as per the CEFR standards. I have extracted the vocabulary from Netzwerk and aspect of courseware, so you can count on this video series as a good reference for Goethe, TELG and other international German certifications. Also at the end of each video, I have included a short test to check your learning. The videos are based on listen and repeat technique, which is a proven method to not only effectively memorize the vocabulary, but also practice the right pronunciation, which is very important when you're learning a foreign language. You can benefit the most by dedicating 10 minutes exclusively for vocabulary learning on a daily basis. By listening and repeating each word or phrase once per day, and I would say for 5 consecutive days, you're sure to remember it for a long time. So, sounds good? Dann wünsche ich euch viel Spaß beim Lernen.
Lernwortschatz Kapitel 1, Teil 2. Hören Sie zu und wiederholen Sie. Zahlen. Numbers. 0, 0, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, 7, 7, 8, 8, 9, 9, 10, 10, 11, 11, 12, 12, 13, 13, 14, 14, 15, 15, 16, 16, 17, 17, 18, 18, 19, 19, 20, 20. Andere wichtige Wörter und Wendungen. Entschuldigung. Excuse me. Wie geht's? How are you? Danke, gut. Good, thank you. Sehr gut. Very well. Es geht. It works. Die Buchstaben. The letters. A is pronounced as A. B is pronounced as B. C is pronounced as C. D is pronounced as D. E is pronounced as E. F is pronounced as F. G is pronounced as G. H is pronounced as H. I is pronounced as E. J is pronounced as J. K is pronounced as K. L is pronounced as L. M is pronounced as M. N is pronounced as N. O is pronounced as O. P is pronounced as P. Q is pronounced as Q. R is pronounced as R. S is pronounced as S. T is pronounced as T. U is pronounced as U. V is pronounced as V. W is pronounced as W. X is pronounced as X. Y is pronounced as Y. Z is pronounced as Z. Ä, Ö, Ü, SZ.
So, meine Lieben, das war's für heute. Ich bedanke mich ganz herzlich fürs Zuschauen. Und wie fanden ihr diese Episode? Schreibt mir bitte in die Kommentare. And there you have it, guys. What do you think about this episode? Please write your feedback in the comment section below. Thank you so much for tuning in. Please make sure to subscribe to my channel and you have a great day. Cheers!